Welcome! Did you know that in Power BI you can now copy a list from another source such as Excel, Word, an email, and paste it directly into a slicer to quickly filter your report? It's helpful if you have a long list of items, as it saves having to manually click each item individually. In this video, I'll show you how it works, along with a few things to watch out for. Start in Excel or wherever your list is. Select your column of values and copy them. Now head to your Power BI report. Go to the slicer that contains the items in the list. So in my case, it's in the product slicer that I'll find the items I'm looking to find. Then I simply go to the three dots at the top of the slicer and select Paste. And my page filters instantly as Power BI has matched the pasted values against the available items in the drop-down. If I click on the slicer drop-down, you can see that there are tick marks next to the items which were pasted in. It works with text and numbers, which I'll quickly demonstrate by dropping these lists into this slicer. Note it also works if the figures are comma separated. There are a few things to watch out for. The values you paste need to match exactly what's in the slicer, so watch out for extra spaces or formatting differences. If a value doesn't match, Power BI will not warn you of the mismatch. For example, here the item in the slicer is Vision 27-inch, but if I paste 27-inch with an extra space before inch, it won't match with the slicer item. It will, however, likely end up at the bottom of your slicer list and look like a slicer item, which it's not. Another point to watch out for is at the time of recording, the values can only be pasted into drop-down, list or tile slicers. It won't work on range slicers. Note also that the items you would like to paste must be in a column list. It won't work if the items are in a row. This ability to paste multiple values into a Power BI slicer makes it easy to quickly select the items you require, especially if the slicer has a long list of items such as product codes, employee IDs, invoice references. Simply bulk select your items and paste the list. This avoids the tedious manual selection of trying to find each item that you want in a long list and can speed up your workflow. For example, here I can go to a list in Word, simply highlight and copy my values, then go to my slicer and paste in the list. I can then take my filtered table, then paste a copy of the filtered table into Word. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more Power BI tutorials. And drop a comment below if you have found the paste feature helpful in your work. Thanks for watching.